It's been a lovely evening, lovely songs, and a very pleasant evening after all the corona pandemic and depression. We require some refreshment of the mind. I remember writing this Omono imang when there was a lockdown. Your body gets locked up, you can't go out. Physically you're locked up, but your mind keeps working. And I thought of writing a song of hope, a song that looks forward, a song that will take us forward somehow or the other. During that pandemic time, the mind seems to work in a very mysterious ways. I never thought in my wildest dream that I'd be writing a song, composing a song, working with these young artists. Many years back, when most of you were not born, I think, me and my Didi, Jonna Didi, we went to Calcutta and we recorded a cassette. At that time there was cassette, there was no CD. And we recorded the songs of Chandra Manikya and Maharaja Bibikram Manikya. They were the spring festival songs. I think because she came to the stage, a little bit of that was played. And then I somehow wandered into the world of politics. Because in life you never know where you'll end up. And I'm still traveling. And destinations don't make a difference actually. It is the journey that makes life interesting. If your journey is interesting, if your journey is, fulfilling, your destination will be fulfilling. And I believe in this. And my journey in life so far has been very, very thrilling. From writing books, to working in a cultural organization, to joining politics, of losing elections, of winning elections, of being thrown in and thrown out of here and there. And that's why I wrote this song. But let's move on, hold on, move on. Hindi, Ragdi, and we'll be there. That's what you require in life, I think, to hold on and to move on. Hold on to your dreams and move on to your destination. And I thank all these young boys and girls who have worked with me, especially my daughter-in-law, Kimi, who has been running up and down, because I have to do my official duties, looking at files, not very exciting. And she did all the running around from here to there. I did go to the recording studio twice, and the boys were quite shocked to see a minister in the recording studio. And today they were more shocked when I sat here for 2 hours and made them practice 5 times. Because it's a passion. In life you must have a passion. A passionless life is a worthless life. It's a very dry life, like a dry withered leaf, which was once green, withers and falls. But if you pursue a passion, your life stays evergreen. I believe in that. And when I was writing this song, I remember a poem that I read in my college days by that great American poet, Robert Frost. And I remember a few lines. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. That was the motto of the song. I am not very good in Hindi, but on the spot translation would be something like this. द वन हरा भरा है, हमको वादा भी रखना है, हमको वादा भी रखना है, विश्रामहीन हमको बहुत दूर जाना है, बहुत दूर पहुंचना है. And that was the theme of this song. And with this young artist, there was Joyanto, with whom I first discussed whether this could be made into a song. Then I met Romeo. He came to interview me for Maharaja Bir Vikram life story. And I heard his song, the song he sang today. That's my favorite song. And Jaduni Sumui. Jaduni Sumui means the magical flute. Jadu Ki Basuri. It's a beautiful song that he sang today. And in this song we have tried to in my song, Ani Imang, which is going to be released in a short while now, I have tried to mix some modern with the folk. We have added instruments, Western instruments, along with our own indigenous instruments, like the chopring and the saringa and the flute, sumui. But in fusion you have to be very careful that it doesn't become confusion. When you're doing fusion music, you have to be very careful so it doesn't create confusion. And I hope it was not confusion, you listen to it. So in a musical evening, I don't think I should give a longer speech. I'll do it, in the politics. Here we have come here to listen to music and feel the music. Many people may not understand pop rock. But I don't think music needs to be understood. It's meant to be felt. The rhythm is in your heartbeat. I always believe that music, I listen to Carnatic music. I love Carnatic music. Do I understand the word? I like the beat. I like the rhythm. I like the feeling, the texture of the song. A song is what it is. It is an emotion or feeling put across. The words are there. They're just to keep the song in tune. And if you understand the lyrics and the tune, it's much better. We say Sangeet, Sangeet Sangam, Taal, Lay, Sur, Shabd ka Sangam. Wahi hai Sangeet. And I hope you'll enjoy it. I thank all the artists who have worked with me. There's Joyanto, there's Romeo, there's Paramita, there's Kripa Sadhan, there's Binoy Dev Burma, Kumpui Jamatia, Bhaskar Jyoti Dev Burma, Noren Jamatia, Shimu Dev Burma, Kartik Jamatia, Pratik Dev Burma, David Dev Burma, Kabir Jamatia. Kabir is a wonderful boy. He did all the mixing and all that. So this song is completely, I could say, indigenous song. In spirit, in word, in music, and in feeling. And of course, Kim Jamatia, I mentioned her. Without her, I don't think we'll be standing here listening to this. I will be talking here, and you'll be sitting here listening to this song. I thank everyone for being here. It's very kind of you to come, to attend the release of this song. And I hope you like this song. Thank you so much.
Talaga hamay